Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can redirect your contact form of Shopify website to some thank you page. What happens by default is like whenever you fill any form or any user fill form in your website, what happens after they send the information is it shows the submission message right above the form or sometimes below the form, and most of the users I have seen prefer to have a thank you page instead of showing the message like this because they can have more control over their page, the message. They can have some call to action or something, sometimes tracking and all. So for that, this is what you have to do. Open your Shopify backend. First go to pages, create a new page like I have already created one. So you can have whatever content you want and just copy this slug from this SEO section and then go back to online store and click on edit code in your live theme, and then here in sections look for a file name contact form or contact or anything similar to it. You can easily identify it from its name. So here it's contact form.liquid. So now you are in this contact form file. I'll close the other files, and here you have to find is the form posted successfully. So from this phrase, I think you can easily guess what does it mean. That means if form posted successfully, do this. And so this is the message it shows when the form is successfully posted. So all you have to do is click enter right after to create some space and then add script tag so that you can write JavaScript code. And let's close the script tag. And what we want to do is change the location of the page. So window.location equals to and the slug which we copied. And that's it. Click on save. Go back to your form. Let's fill the information again. Click on send. And here we go. Your page. Like right now you can see the thank you page, so your form has redirected you to thank you page. As easy as you like.